Full score. Good evening, Fahrenheit members and to our beloved judges. My name is Joseph Sionda. Remembering one thing, that fear is always trained from ignorance, but to conquer things is the beginning of wisdom. My name is Joseph Sionda, representing Mr. Paul Sport. Candidate number 15, Prada.
They say enjoy life to the fullest. I say just enjoy life because life is too short to deprive yourself of the one the world has to offer. My name is Mark Leo, representing the perfume of Prada.
Candidate number 16, Ralph Lauren.
Pleasant good evening to all of you. This is Anthony De La Cruz. There's a saying that life is touch and go. Some people you may know that they will be there for some time. Some may go away. But people who find special will always remain here. And this is Ralph Lauren will always remain forever.
Candidate number 17, Romance.
I thank God for the beauty of life, not because of what the eyes can see, but because of what we feel inside our hearts with the wonderful people like you. I can love you once, I can love you twice, but I cannot love you no less. This is your guy, me Salvador, Mr. Romance.
Candidate number 18, Value.
After the struggle years of anti-gay policy, gay men wanted to prove to the world that everyone is equal, regardless of color, gender, and sexual orientation. From the wake of love, of equality, and sensitivity, I am Dexter Noel Villa from Quezon City, representing Talent Sport.